What was that?
This is the big ground.
This is the baseball ground. Yeah, and that one is walking side. You can see there the people walk there, they cycling there, and the other side is over there is a small lake, is a river something. And that side is so good, and you can see this one is the playground here, the kids playing ground on that side, and this side is this one is a soccer play also, right? This is soccer. You can see it's the big one. Yeah, we can go around there and we show you. There's a big park there. We can walk around there. I hope you are enjoying. They have the chairs here. People they come here and sit.
The benches.
Benches, yeah. Okay, this one is the walk. You can go through on that side the walk. Yeah, but we could come on that side. We're not going on over there. It's so far. Yeah, you can see this one is so beautiful. Beautiful area, playing area. What's that? What's that tree? Oh, you can see the here deer over here. Yeah. There's a lot of animal on that place. We can go there to see the lake. Maybe it's over there. It's so beautiful road over here. This is the map. You can read the map. What is that? Where is the radio station? Oh, AM radio? Yeah. Okay, let's go on that side. We didn't come here. Okay, that side is they have the solar panel there. Yeah, on the top because it's always is they get the solar energy. It's so nice over here. You can see the water from here. very beautiful soccer playground. Come here. That one is the dear kids, I think, right? They are so small. No, don't go there. That side they have the soccer, very nice. The ground is so nice. It's not the pool. They have the bathrooms there. They have the bathroom there. You can visit the on that side and then you could